Yeah, the sun is out now, bro. You're asking for the sun. Now it's out. Yeah, today is gonna be 29 later on. On the plane. Yeah, man. Bro, he was ready, man. He's got a sunblock before. There's no sun, but the sunblock is already on. That's why he's traveling with the sun. Wow. Yeah, yeah. Saan doon? My friend, Doña P, my friend. I hope you're enjoying it, my friend. Oh, sit back and enjoy the scene. Oh. Say hello, people. Hi.
Hello.
Hi,
Yes, my
hi,
brother.
welcome to
Yeah.
Imozal Argon. This is Aga
Say hello.
Hi, hello.
Mahal.
Hello.
Oh, make sure your mouth is not open when you're sleeping because you'll be under the video. Yeah, and yours truly. Oh, baby. Okay. Kasama yan. Doña P. Baka naman. Namimiss ko yung video na yan. Say Doña friend. My friend. Kaya P. Oo nga, ano. Friend, maybe you wanna come here one day. If you're allowed. If you're allowed, okay? Doña P.
Maririnig niya lahat. Sino ba yung tinatawag ni Jimmy na puro Doña P na Doña P?
Bahala na kayo mag-use your imagination, Doña P.
Keep vlog, yeah.
Oh, look at that, bro. No? Absolutely wonderful.
Wonderful. Imagine how they build the house there. Bring all those material all the way up there. All the way up there. Are you looking bad? How are you? Yeah, hello Mr. Tajin, how are you? Peace. Oh, syempre ha. Soon you'll be on the pot. Soon you'll be on the pot. Boss.
Kambing talaga.
Malaikum.
Oo, kambing talaga.
Sino yung kambing dyan sa dalawa? Grabe. Oh yeah. They shy on the camera, man. Oh, ah.
Wala akong mapicture sa side ko.
Mamaya ko.
Puro mga
Ay, kaso mahirap ang camera pag ganun. Why? Now you have the view.
A's,
my
brown,
God.
green.
Yeah, brother. I like this little town, bro. I like this little.
Pag-grama she's from here, no?
Oh.
This is the
Our
country.
trip is almost there. We still have another 1 hour.
We have another 1 hour, but we're having a little stopover for you to see all the video. I mean the area.
And look, this is the restaurant.
Look at this restaurant. Where?
Yeah.
Look. You will never see a restaurant like this, bro.
Yeah,
Oh
restaurant. Look.
my god, look at this restaurant. Damn.
Look. Yeah. Look.
Hello,
They
hi.
have big. Look, you can have breakfast here. Look. Nature. Tagine.
Man.
Look at this here.
I know, bro.
Very nice. No headache here. No Wi-Fi here. No headache.
No, bro. I love it. Oh,
And you see the sun. It's
look at
very
them.
bright.
They're taking a picture, they're not calling us.
Ah, look.
Crazy people,
You're teaching us.
isn't it?
Taking picture without us.
What, without us? There, the top.
Maganda dito.
I've already videoed it.
Nice restaurant.
It was inside
It's a restaurant.
the restaurant.
Ito mga oil and honey. Oil and honey, yeah. And the ladies, that lady there, she make it. And look, this is how they make it. Look. Wow.
They don't know Arabic, huh? They don't know Arabic. I can't speak with them. Barbar, yeah.
Oh, Barbara.
Chifulkin. Chifulkin, Chiwalin. Chifulkin.
This is, sabi ni, look, this is, they make argan oil, right? The goat will eat the fruits, and then when it comes out, that's how it comes out. That's what it looks like. It's beautiful. Oh, ito oh. We are here in this little village, which is the local native ng Moroccan. They are called Barbar. We're in this village, and a proper nature. Look at that, living here, on the mountain every morning. You wake up here, and this is what you get. Apparently, there's no internet here, but at least they got power. They got no internet, and you hear is nature. Gust of wind, cockerel, chicken cockerel, dogs, and then just birds chirping. That's what they look like. Going back now. Ito yung nakikita namin. Ito naman yung mga kasamahan ko. Oh, yun oh. Oh.
10 more minutes. See?
Are doing adventure today?
Pupunta dito. Pupunta doon. Wala akong pang ginaw eh.
Malayo pa yung punta namin. A bit of a distance. So,
Doña P, did you see?
that way.
Nagsasalita pa.
That way.
There is three valley, you know. We'll go just the first one.
We got this one.
This way.
He's showing us the easy way.
Kakabisado nila.
Ito yung tinatawag na trekking. Talaga nagte-trekking kami. Ayan, no?
Baka hindi natin
Talagang trekking to. Di ba sinasabi nila hiking? Oh. Hiking beat this. This is the proper hike. Ayan eh. Meron pa kaming kasama tatlo paa. Kaya tatlo paa may tungkod. Nasay. Lalaya mo to huy. Oh, halika.
Bishira ako ng bibit-bit mo. Oh, ito nga, bumit-bit niya. I can hear water. Para yung ano tayo eh, ano yun, yung ano yun, Jim?
Yung,
Naghahanap tayo ng tubig.
oh, yun.
Adventure.
That's right.
Harry Potter. Ano yun?
Isama mo rito yung may vertigo. Problema natin yun.
Tapos wala pa.
Kita mo, oh. Tapos
One
bunun.
leg down success.
Yes! Hooray!
Almond tree.
Baliktad na. May,
It's almond nuts. Yeah. You know yung almond?
yan. Trekking. Oh, hiking pala. Hiking kami. Grabe. Now, alam ko na ang pakiramdam na nasa Africa.
Left.
Alam ko na ang pakiramdam na nasa Africa.
Deal!
Dito. Yun, doon tayo pupunta eh.
That's right.
هذه اللي هي فينا خربنا.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, see? Kita mo? Army, sabi ko sa doon tayo dadaan mamaya. Pa. Oh, naghahanim yung dalawa.
Ano na tayo? Ano tawag dito?
We're a trekker.
Ito na yung penetration natin 1 year before Easter.
Dali, kikita yan.
Naka ganun.
Ay, naku.
Maraming calorie itong nawawala sa atin, no? Siguro sabi, okay itong may tungkod eh. Wala hindi siya nagigiba. Talagang pasugod. No complaint.
Tiga ano yan eh. Bisaya yan eh. Lapu-lapu.
May masarap na isda yun. Lapu-lapu.
You only live once, isn't it? Yeah. You have to experience. I go to Agadir, then
Tama.
go to Agadir.
Yun din.
Through the valley. Through the...
There is 10 minutes.
Yeah, bro.
Let's come here.
Over there.
Look at this place. Oh. Tinreking namin to.
Tay. Hen.
Oh.
Look, this jump. This is proper look, jacuzzi.
Yeah,
No
brother.
need.
I need that now to cool me off.
Tatlong bata. Ano na sila? They're the one.
Oh, sana
Pauwi na sila.
sana nagpabuhat na lang may ano, Annabelle, yung mga bata kanino. Siyempre.
Kung anak ko kasama ko
Oh, don't encourage her. You know it's another 2 hours.
You're nearly done.
It's worth it. Yeah.
Yeah, it's worth it.
Nice.
Is it?
Definitely.
Okay, we believe you.
Wait, I will stay there.
Dito kami oh. Nakaupo dun sa ano, sa swimming pool. Parang nag-give up na tong ano si Annabelle.
Ayoko na. Hindi na ako makahinga. Ito yung kay Cyrus. O gusto mo itong kay... Kasi mga adventure na to, nung bata ako, ano din? Nung bata ako. Merong
Malapit na. 3 oras na lang daw uli. Kaya na pa yung malapit na eh.
Camera is approaching the temperature limit.
Now we have reached our destination. There is itong surrounding. Ganda oh. Tapos meron palang native na tao dito. Unbelievable ang native dito, man. Ang mga native dito naka-shade pa. Yun oh. May asdabag pa yan, native yan. Oh. We have reached our destination. Damn. Oh. We are here. Look, the place is amazing, right? It's unbelievable. Look at this place. Okay? Pero, sa sobrang init, pati yung mga isda nagtatago doon. Ewan ko lang kung nakikita nyo. Ayun na, nasa ilalim ng shade. Ang dami nila. Very nice, ha?
Walang ano eh, no?
Oh, lahat kayo kuha dyan. Wala bang kaway dyan? Wala bang wave? Yeah! Woo! Party time!
Nice, hard.
Pinapagod to ah.
Sini Ali!
Sidi Ali. Sidi Ali.
Sini Ali!
What's your name, Ali?
His name Ali. Ali.
I'm Akimi!
Diaz.
Dangerous!
Yan, may hangin. Yan.
Dangerous! Dangerous! Oh, you know? We've reached another part. I think this is the final part. But the place is supposed to go. Man, this is some trekking. If you ask me if I'll do it again, maybe if I was 20 years younger, I will, but not anymore. I'm 55. Look at my boy over there, look. He's up there. Oh. Smell! Wait. Umakyat na sila dito. Oh. This is this is how they cook our tajin. This is what we're gonna eat later. This is the proper traditional tajin cooking.
This is the fox or
We're gonna have 2 lamb and 1 goat. Goat is the best apparently. Open naman. Yes sir. Oh yes sir. Yes sir. Woo! Wonderful. Brother. Shukran. Yes. Pupunta na kami sa pinaka-restaurant. Hintayin na namin yung pagkain namin. Saan sila pumunta? Where did they go?